I have been on the hunt for my perfect orangey peachy blush, and that's why I want to try this Kaja blush out. This dewy bar that the brand did send to me, but as always, I will give my honest review. For me, I just love how natural, in a way, this looks on the skin, that it really just gives a dew, but it isn't highlight or anything. It really blends on super well. I find that the stick is super easy to apply, that you can do it on your face. My favorite way, though, is to definitely take a brush in and get that brush locked in with product and then apply it to the face from there. And this just gives that perfect, I've been out in the sun all day, that this is my just dewy orangey blush look that I've been loving. This also does work on your lips, but my favorite way to apply it is definitely on the cheeks. I know the color looks intense on my skin, but on the face, it just seems to blend out so perfectly, and it looks just gorgeous. So, Kaja, definitely love this one.